Hi, this is Sumeet Agrawal, and I was an IT professional, now retired, and enjoying my life doing treks here. I really like Indiahikes. I've done the Rupin Pass trek with Indiahikes in May of 22, and I came across these DIY, do-it-yourself kind of hikes that Indiahikes publishes, and we had done Harihara Betta, Kunagalu Betta, and today we have come here to Channarayana Durga trek, and it's lovely to get all the detailed information from the DIY kind of website and be able to follow those directions and come here. And as it turns out, we ran into the Indiahikes team during this trek, and it was amazing to catch up and talk through this. And I understand you have GPX files loaded that people can use. I am not there yet. I have to get there eventually, but it's there for people to use as well. So would highly recommend using these resources and doing your own treks. It's lovely. So what I found is that when I was doing a Google search, I couldn't get any real good information. There would be information from a lot of, travel type companies, but it wasn't really for doing it yourself kind of a trek. It was more about, come with us, do this. I found the Indiahikes documentation was very clear and very specific to what we want to do. It's also helped me sometimes because the markings are not always clear, but it tells you take a left here and then go through here. Harihara, but I remember near the temple it said take a left and then you'll go up the right way. So that specific information really helps out. Just to let you know, we just started this trekking club in our complex. It's called Adarsh Vista, and we call it the Vista Brunch and Trekking Club. And we started this 5 months ago. This is our 5th monthly trek that we're doing here. And we have almost 20 people who have come today. And some of them are first timers, but using this documentation makes it easier so they have a good experience and they want to keep coming back rather than getting lost and then finding that they don't want to do this again. And including kids, we have a six-year-old girl with us, and she's been running forward. So it's been amazing to have this.
The timelines to help.
Yeah, and there's as Shrikant is saying, there's detailed information on each section, how long it'll take, and what's the distance and difficulty level. So that really helps out. So I think the biggest thing is the confidence that it has built over time. Because when you go on guided treks, then there's a guide, you can depend on that person. When you start doing your own DIY treks, the first time you feel like, hey, what if I get lost? But having done these a few times now and seeing the detailed documentation, there's good confidence that, we'll be able to stay on our way, enjoy the trek, come back safely. Firstly, I think this is a lovely place around Bangalore, for example. There's so many hills and so many treks that you can do here. It's a huge missed opportunity if you don't take advantage of it. And now I just look for the Indiahikes link if there is one for a trek. It helps me. I know what I'll get there. And if you do that, I think you can't go wrong. Don't miss these opportunities. Please do take advantage and do these treks.